Have you ever frozen up when someone asks you a question in English? You know the words in your head, but they just won't come out of your mouth. It's completely normal.
But imagine being able to express your thoughts clearly, ace that interview, or travel the world with absolute confidence. In this video, I'm going to share 5 practical, everyday tips that will take you from hesitant to fluent. No boring grammar rules, just real methods that work. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is a game changer. Stop translating from your native language into English in your head. When you translate, you speak slowly, and your sentences can sound unnatural. Instead, start thinking in English. Start small. Look around your room right now. Don't think of the object in your language first. Look at it and instantly name it in English. Window, table, coffee. Train your brain to connect images directly to English words. Tip number 2 is called shadowing. This is how language experts learn languages fast. You listen to a native English speaker from a movie, a podcast, or a YouTube video, and you repeat what they say exactly as they say it, just a second later. You aren't just practicing words, you are copying their rhythm, their tone, and how their voice goes up and down. It builds the muscle memory in your mouth to speak English naturally. Tip number 3, focus on phrases, not isolated vocabulary words. If you only memorize single words, you will struggle to connect them into a sentence. For example, instead of just learning the word interested, learn the whole chunk. I'm interested in. When you learn complete phrases, your brain doesn't have to work hard to build a sentence. It just pulls the whole phrase out automatically. Tip number 4 sounds a bit funny, but it works wonders. Talk to yourself. You don't need a speaking partner 24/7 to practice English. Narrate your day. When you're making breakfast, say out loud, "Now I'm pouring the milk. Where is the spoon?" This creates a safe, zero-pressure environment where you can make mistakes, find your gaps, and build fluency without any fear of judgment. Finally, tip number 5 is a mindset shift. Embrace your mistakes. The biggest barrier to speaking English isn't grammar, it's fear. Native speakers do not care if you make a small grammar mistake. They care about communication. Every time you make a mistake and correct it, your brain learns. Perfection is a myth. Communication is the goal. Fluency doesn't happen overnight, but if you practice just one of these tips for 10 minutes every day, you will see a massive change in a month. Which of these tips are you going to try today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's learn together. See you in the next video.